Welcome back to TechKidFX for another price prediction update, and in this video I'll be giving you a price prediction update on Vechain, whose current price stands at the $0.03151 mark, and here on TradingView the market is down by 2.29%. and in this video I want to give the key scenarios that I expect to play out, basing my analysis on the Elliot waves and the Fibonacci's, and also the key areas of support and resistances, and also show you the key chart patterns that you have information on this chart. So if you're interested in such content, make sure that you stick around till the end of the video, and I'll kickstart the video by giving a brief of what has been happening on this chart. Vechain from the all-time high has been seeing lower prices in this massive ABC correction, which has now taken us to around the $0.02 mark, and having done so, I believe it has done the minimum that we expected it to do in its ABC correction, and soon we might see a very nice bounce to the upper side. And today we are seeing a bit of a retracement to the lower side after trying to break above a key area of resistance here on the charts. If I zoom in so that I can start my analysis here on the daily chart, you can see here on the daily chart we had been trading within this channel. We managed to break out of that channel to the upper side. We also managed to break above key areas of resistances, and we have also seen a retest of those key areas of resistances, and at this key area of resistance at around the $0.03362 mark, that is the area that we have faced a bit of a rejection to the lower side, and we are seeing a bit of a pullback to the lower side. If I get to the 4-hour chart for further analysis, here on the 4-hour chart you can also see that we had been trading within this descending channel. We managed to break out of that channel to the upper side, and from there we also managed to break above this key area of resistance right here. We also saw a retest of that key area of resistance in that movement to the lower side, and from there we continued unlocking even higher prices. Here on the 4-hour chart you can also see that we had been trading within this channel, and we managed to break out of that channel to the upper side. We have also seen the formation of a bearish engulfing candlestick, which is a candlestick that is in formation right now, and this movement to the upper side I can also term it as an Elliot wave. From the low that we have down here at around the $0.02 mark, we can have that as the low of the first wave to the upper side. Then we made the high up there, then we saw a retracement to the lower side in a wave 2, and the movement that we are in at the moment, this is what is forming a wave 3, and then I expect to see a retracement to the lower side in a wave 4, and then expect a very nice bounce to the upper side in a wave 5, and that will be completing the formation of a higher Elliot wave count 1, which is right here. And if I get a little bit into the details of these waves, so that can give me the key scenarios that I expect to play out. A wave 2 to the lower side, we expect it to retrace to the area between the fib level 0.618 and the fib level 0.382. So using the fibs connecting to the high of that wave 1, you can see this wave 2 retraced to the area between the fib level 0.618 and the fib level 0.382. And when that move played out here on the charts, we saw a very nice bounce to the upper side in a wave 3, and using a trend-based Fibonacci we can get the target area of that third wave to the upper side by connecting the low of the wave 1 to the high of the wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the wave 2. That gives me a target area at around the $0.0345 mark, that is at around the fib level 1.618, and you can see that third wave to the upper side has maximized that target area, and we faced a key area of resistance at around the $0.03362 mark, and we are seeing a very nice retracement to the lower side in what is forming a wave 4, and because a wave 4 is a retracement of the wave 3, we can use the Fibonacci's to get the target area of that fourth wave to the lower side by connecting the low of the wave 3 to the high of the wave 3. That gives me a target area between the fib level 0.5 and the fib level 0.618, and I can mark that target area here on the charts using a red target area, and that gives me the key scenarios that I expect to play out. It's possible that we might continue unlocking even lower prices, and in that movement to the lower side, so we'll expect lower prices and get into this red target area in the formation of a wave 4, and within this target area then we can find a very nice retracement to the upper side, that is a reversal to the upper side, managed to break above that key area of resistance at around the $0.029 mark, and once we see a retest, then higher prices could be coming our way in the formation of our wave 5, and once we see the completion of our wave 5, that we can name it as a higher Elliot wave count 1. So those are the key movements that I expect to see here on the Vechain chart. Also taking a look at the indicators, here on the RSI we are trading at around the 40 mark, and that would mean we have room for us to support any movement to the upper side and also any movement to the lower side. So any movement into that red target area here on the charts will be supported on the RSI. Also taking a look at the MACD, on the MACD we had printed a bearish cross, and that would mean lower prices could be coming our way. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I'll keep you updated.